Half the year is already gone. Let that sink in. You felt it. That heavy feeling when you realize how much time has slipped away, the hours lost to scrolling, the goals you set in January still untouched. But here's the harsh reality. Every day you stay idle is a step closer to ending this year with regret. You know exactly what's been holding you back. Sleeping in too late, starting your days in chaos, letting your phone run your mind. Those habits are quietly killing your momentum. But today doesn't have to look like yesterday. Do three things. First, get up at 5 or 6 a.m. No excuses. Second, plan your day the night before. Put it on paper, write it down. Third, first hour. No phone, no scrolling, just focus. We've got 6 months left. You can either take control or let the rest of the year vanish like a first half. The choice is yours, but make one.